So all three of you interested in medicine?
Yeah.
Anybody interested in general practice?
I don't know yet. Like,
Don't
it's
know,
kind of
and that's fair. It's very early days, isn't it? And to be fair, the main purpose of this day originally was to share some of the merits, if you like, of general practice with school pupils. So this morning, how do you think this morning went?
Really good.
That's so useful. It's honestly been.
Yeah.
It's made the whole process seem a lot clearer. Like, I know where I'm going now.
Fantastic.
And it's really good how we get to learn from people who are actually doing it.
Yes.
So we can sort of see what they've been through and if it's suitable for us.
Yeah. And what was good about it for you? What did you think?
Just all the information that they gave you about what you need for A-level, what the actual uni is like for medicine. But most people think like it scares you away from it, knowing the reality, but actually it makes you want to do it more.
Yeah, good. And do all of you now know what transferable skills are?
Yeah.
So that was the main purpose of today. The bit we've just done now, the ethical dilemmas bit, what did you think of that?
It was really good fun.
Yeah.
Really interesting.
And which ones did you discuss?
Oh, we did something about patient confidentiality, so about somebody coming in and asking for files and stuff.
And then the free prescriptions in Wales.
Oh,
we
yes.
also talked about the advantages and disadvantages of that.
Yeah, exactly. And I think the main thing, isn't it, with approaching any ethical dilemma, be it in real life or in an interview, is to have a balanced approach, isn't it? And not everything is, well, hardly anything is black and white in medicine, in terms of ethical dilemmas anyway. So I think it's important to get that, what I call the toolkit, if you like, to have the tools to be able to discuss them in a confident way. So you can approach any dilemma then, can't you, if you know what tools you need. So after lunch now, we'll be discussing the nuts and bolts of how to get into university. What grades they expect and what experience they expect and so forth. So hopefully we'll get more out of that as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you very much again.
Okay.